Hello! The purpose of today's video is to show you just one way you can get students speaking on Zoom with breakout rooms. If you like today's video, please let me know and subscribe. To create your breakout rooms, go to the taskbar at the bottom of your screen in Zoom and click on Breakout Rooms. You'll then see a pop-up to create your rooms. You can set the number of students you want in each room, and you can choose to have Zoom create the rooms, or you can do so manually. If you have a large class, I recommend automatically. Now, if you need some more technical support with Zoom, please go to their website. In particular, they got a great video on breakout rooms. Now, my activity was with my high beginning ESL students, and the topic was simple past. I have 8 very short steps to share with you. If it works for you, great. Adapt whatever you like. Step 1, build confidence with a skill students know. Many of my students were pretty nervous about Zoom. So I chose something they're not so nervous about and something they're used to doing, which is writing sentences with a good old-fashioned pencil and paper at home. I asked them a topic they're familiar with, what did you do yesterday? And I asked them to write 3 sentences on that paper with their pencil. I gave them a few minutes to do so. While they were writing, I gave them some examples. Step 2, show them what the breakout group will look like. They'll see that it's not that intimidating. It's only a few students that'll help reduce their anxiety. Step 3, model the task like we all do in our classes. Here is my example. Step 4, ask students to join audio after they join their rooms. You're going to spend a lot of time those first few days of Zoom class telling people to mute their phones, and now you want them to unmute, so you can remind them to do so. Let students know they'll see a pop-up on their screen when you're ready for the groups to start. Tell them to please click on Join. I would repeat this a few times to avoid stragglers. Step 6. Before you open your rooms, you will have a chance to move students from room to room if you need to do so. And when you're ready, click on Open All Rooms. Step 7. You can join any room you want and provide feedback. Once you open your rooms, you'll see a button that says Join. When you're finished with the breakout rooms, there'll be a button that says Close All Rooms. Step 8. Remind students to mute when they come back to the main room. Now you can do this for them before they return to the main room, but I still like to remind my students and give them practice doing it so they know when to come off of mute and when to mute when they speak in class and ask questions. So one thing I do is I let them know that if that button with the old-fashioned microphone is white, that means we can hear you. You need to tap it or click it, and it needs to be red. If it's red, we can't hear you. So that's just one easy way to get your students speaking. Good luck. I hope to hear from you about all your great successes. Remember, like our video if you found something interesting, and subscribe.